looking for an inexpensive microphone to try podcasting, something that is easy to use and portable, and if you needed a mic that could move effortlessly with the speaker anywhere, then the recommendations from podcasting and video editing pros were to spend as much as you could afford. And we see that people claim that this Boya omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone delivers decent quality sound with low handling noise while podcasting and video and audio editing, and it definitely didn't break the bank. So now let's first unbox it and then we'll talk about some more features and we'll see that is it up to the mark or not. Let's see what we got from this packaging, and this package contains one Boya omnidirectional lavalier condenser mic. This microphone has 20 feet audio cable, one cable clip, one foam windscreen, one 1/4 adapter, one LR44 battery, and one English user manual, and with this we have one warranty card also. Well, this mic can be used with your DSLR cameras, both Canon and Nikon, with your smartphones, camcorders, audio recorders, PCs and laptop, etc. This Boya BY-M1 is an omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone which is easy to use. You just have to plug this aux cable in the aux port and your device is ready to use. Yes, exactly. This mic is very lightweighted and the cable that plugs into your recording equipment is 6 meters long, that is 20 feet, which allows you to move about if you need the mic to be plugged into a laptop or a camera or camcorder some distance away, as the cable has 3.5 mm gold plated plug is just a second thing to be connected to your smartphone and most of your cameras also. So if you want to use this mic with your smartphone, then you first have to switch off the microphone, slide the power on and off button to the off, means smartphone mode. The power is shut down for DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PCs, etc. And if you wanted to use this mic with DSLR cameras, camcorders, audio recorders and PCs, etc., then first switch on the microphone, then slide on and off up to on mode, and DSLR camcorders, audio recorders are ready to receive your voice. You can also use it as an interview mic by placing it on the table between both the speakers. It picks up sound equally from all directions. We found the sound quality is surprisingly good, but as it has narrow range and it is not a directionally adjustable mic, then there will be some noises. And now it's time to talk about its pros. This mic is a small, portable, cheap, convenient and easy to use, and with this the setup of it is so simple. And we also felt that requires the LR44 battery. The cable can be a trip hazard and it is not ideal for multi-person recording, and the sound quality is not at par with higher end podcasting microphones. So if you wanted to use it as your startup mic, then you can go for it. But if you wanted to deliver the best in your videos, then you must think something above this. Well, right now I'm recording this audio with Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and I actually wanted to switch to this Boya so that you can feel the difference. And this is the voice by Boya omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone. I hope you will feel the difference between both of them. And now I am switching to my previous microphone. So this is it for this Boya omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone, and if you really wanted to check this one for you, then the link of the same is given in the description box of this video below. So stay tuned for more updates regarding filmmaking tips and tricks and piece of information like this, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. And if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button. So this is Divya from Tigunity Studio. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.